Dear learners, welcome to this video tutorial to present a basic use of Microsoft Teams, which is an online tool for communication. Let's see the learning outcomes. At the end of this tutorial, the learner will be able to go to the homepage of Microsoft Teams and sign up or log in as per the requirement, form teams in Microsoft Teams, schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams, check and explore the option of Microsoft Office 365, share the link and send the invitation to people to join and attend the session. Let us see in brief what is Microsoft Teams. It's basically an online platform which is an unified communication and collaboration platform that permits the user for persistent workplace, chat, video meetings, file storage and some sort of application integration. So dear learners, let's get and start with the live tutorial. Step 1, you need to go to Google and type Microsoft Teams. Once you click on enter, you will be taken to the page which will appear like this. So here you can see you have an option sign up for free if you are a first time user, and if you have an account you will click on sign in. So by putting your basic credentials you can create an account on Microsoft Teams, and once you have created you will click on sign in. The next thing is once you click on that you will be taken to your home page of Microsoft Teams. So this is how it will appear. Now this session is about how to form a team. So all you have to do is go right at the bottom and you have an option to join or create a team. So you have an option, you can either join or you can create a team. Suppose I click on create a team. So now you can see there is an option. This is the option to create a team. So if I click on create a team, so it will ask me whether I want to create from Office 365 a team or I want to build a team from scratch. Let me give you a brief glimpse of what is this Office 365. Now when you go to Google and type Microsoft Office 365, you will be taken to this home page. It's also a kind of a subset of Microsoft. Earlier it was Office 365. Now it is Microsoft Office 365. And you can sign in to your favorite productivity apps. You have so many options in Office 365. It's good for office automation. So you can get some of the premium office apps with Microsoft 365 for home, for business, for case of enterprise, and also very important for us because we all belong to education. So in that case also Microsoft Office 365 offers you different options. So let's get back to our team. So let me click, I'm not using from Office 365, so I'll click on team from scratch. So now it will ask me whether I want to keep it private or public or organization wide. If I click on people, if I click on private, it will be only a private network where people will need permission to join. If I click on public, so anyone in the organization can join. And when I keep it on a wider scale for an organization, even in your organization, they can automatically join. So if I click on public, so now it will ask me to give a team a name. So let me give it as a research discussion. So that is one name I've given to my team. By default, there's a message, let people know what this team is all about. So you can type a brief discussion, and once you have given, you will click here, create. So once you click on create, it's getting created, and it depends upon the connectivity. Yeah, it's done. So nice work. So now you can see the message has come. You can add members. So you can type the name or email, and in that way you can add. So now this is all about creating a team, and the next part is to basically send an invitation because I want people to join. So here you have an option, see here, it is for invite people. When I click on invite people, it will be getting for my organization. For example, if I click on here, research discussion. So you can have an option, get link to team. So once I get a link to team, I can copy this and this I can share with the people so that they can join. Then if you have to have a meeting, if you want to schedule a meeting or a live session, so these are the different options available. For example, here if you click, you can see here, I'll just make it big. Yeah, there is an option here for meet now. And when you click on this, you can have a meet session where people can join. So in this tutorial, we have seen how to log in, how to sign up a login as per the requirement, how to create a team, how to form team, how to send the invitation to people, and how to schedule. And we have seen a glimpse of Office 365. So let's get back. So participants, thank you for listening to this video tutorial. Keep exploring, learning and sharing.